Good morning, students. In the previous class, we have seen how to write a simple C++ program, and also we have seen syntax of if statement, right? In today's class, we will try to write a simple program to find out greatest among two numbers. So to write a program to find greatest among two numbers. Yeah. So firstly we need to include some header files, that is include stdro.h and hash include on io.h and hash include iostream.h. So these three header files I have included, and I will write void main and clr scr to clear the screen. Similarly, get ch to see the output. Now since we need to find greatest among two numbers, so we need to define two variables. So I am defining int a comma b. Two variables I have defined. After defining these two variables, we need to take input. So I will write here cout slash n, enter two values. Then I need to read two values a b. Right. So I will write a simple if else statement. So if a is greater than b and cout slash n, a is greater, else cout b is greater. Okay. So I have written simple if else statement wherein we can find out greatest among two variables. So I will try to run it by using Alter F9 and Control F9. So we can see the output. Enter the values of two number, that is 5 and 7. So B is greatest number. Right? Suppose we are having equal numbers, then this condition will not work. So we need to add more statements, that is we need to use a nested if else statement in that case. So if you want to use nested if else statement, so we need to write here. Now instead of this else, I can write if b is greater than a, then b is greater, and here I need to also write else. So inside this else I am writing if For this if I need to write one more else, this becomes a nested if else, because we are writing one if else under another if else. Both numbers are equal. And we need to end this else as well. Okay. Now we will try to save it. Ctp alter F9 and control F9. Enter two values. Suppose I enter 3 and 3. So now it is giving me that both numbers are equal. Right? So this is, you can write how if and if else statement and if nested if else statement. Right? So you will try to find out greatest among three numbers like this. So next control statement is our switch statement. So syntax for switch statement is switch. Here you are having some expression which will yield an integer value. And inside this switch you are having case value, and with that we are having statement 1. You can have one or more statement, then break. Similarly, this is value 1. Similarly, you can have case value 2, then statement 2, and break. Similarly, you can have number of statements, and lastly you can have a default state. Default and statement. So this is a simple syntax of switch case. In the last default, we need not to write break because this is the last statement. Right? So we will try to write a program using a switch case. Write a menu driven program to perform arithmetic operations. Right. So we will write a simple menu driven program to perform arithmetic operations like plus, minus, and so on. And one more thing, in value 1, value 2, this can be integer or character only. This cannot be float. If you will be using float, it will create an error. So the expression will generate should generate integer value or character value. Similarly, this value will be this expression, whatever value has been generated, will be matched with value 1, value 2, or something. If any match is found, that statement will get executed. If no match is found, default statement will get executed. Right. So we will be trying to write the program. So I will write some header files, hash include on io.h hash include iostream.h and I will write void main. One second. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to perform some arithmetic operations. So arithmetic operations like plus, minus, multiplication, which we will be performing on some integer values. So firstly I will take clr scr to clear the screen and get ch to view the output. Inside this, we need to define some integer variable a comma b. So I have defined two integer variables a and b on which I will perform some arithmetic operation. So I will write here cout slash n, enter value of a and b. I need to enter the value, and to read the value cin a b. Two values I have read. Then I need to write some menu. So cout, I will write menu like this slash n, enter 1, enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction. And I will be performing only two operations. Rest of operation I can perform. One second, some participant is joining. I will. Okay, so I have written here. You can have two options, that is addition and subtraction. To input I will take one more variable ch, and cout, I will read this ch, cin ch. Now I need to write the switch statement as switch ch, whatever value you may have entered, depending upon that this switch will work. So I need to write cases. So case value 1, what I need to do, out addition, right? So slash n addition equals to A plus B, then break, and case 2 subtraction, so C out slash n subtraction A minus B, break. And lastly I will write a default statement, default cout slash n, wrong option. Now you can end the switch. So we will try to save it. .cpp and try to run it. Under F9, no errors, control F. So you need to enter value of NB 4 and 5, and then I can enter 1 and addition is performed. And similarly, if I write 5 4 and I perform subtraction is like this, you will get out. Okay students, so try to write some more programs by your own. That's all for today. We will continue in the next class looping statements, and then we will move on to classes and objects. Okay, thank you.